Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my weekly vlog. So this is where I share my lifestyle type of content, things other than my cooking and cleaning. So on this particular morning I just started off by journaling. I am so in love with journaling. Whenever I can't talk about things or even pray about things, I write them down and I feel so much better. So this particular morning, it was a Thursday, and my kids went to school. Unfortunately, I got a phone call from school saying that I should come and get my daughter. She was not feeling well. So my husband went to fetch her, and that just basically changed all my plans for the day. I had to go out basically and run some errands because I had planned for a movie night the next day, which was the Friday. Since my daughter was at home, that just changed. Hey, Darius, what's that in your ear? You have a cock in your ear. It's ice cream. Ja, en die de domkop. Hey!
Jij moet naar.
You no longer sick, Opie. You fine now.
No, I want to go away.
Your mama did go.
Right.
Is it?
You.
So I think we can go back to school, ne?
No.
We can take you back to school.
No.
Wat dan?
No, thanks.
Tyrese. So I actually decided to stay with them at home, rather be safe than sorry. I did not want to do any run errands with her while I was unsure of being 100% fine. But after a while, this girl was not sick at all, but I think she was just exhausted because they do go to school quite early. I just stayed at home. I decided to do laundry, so on this particular day I decided to shoot 2 videos rather than do nothing at all while I was with my babies at home while my husband was at work. I did feel like we need to do something. You guys know that I have mentioned that the shooting in our area is quite hectic. So I was so stressed out that I felt like I needed to put my mind on something else. So I decided to come up with this idea, the movie night idea. Every Friday we would have a movie night, and my kids were so excited about it. So I felt like we are doing that since I saw how excited they were. So this is the Thursday. As I mentioned, I was supposed to go and get some things for the movie night. Could not do that, but I felt like I will do it the following day, which was the Friday morning while they were at school. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this type of thing, this type of vlogs, because I felt like we are moms and this is not all we do, cleaning and cooking. I just wanted to share a little bit more than that. What are you doing? Let me go see where's Opie. Come. You can't just die. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. No. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I'm not good. Goodbye. I don't wanna jinx it, baby. I don't know if you guys remember I told you guys that I have like a lay-by at Pep, so I just decided also to just pop in there and pay my lay-by, which I would be taking out soon. Um, and then I also just decided to pop into those other shop that has like your kitchenware and whatnot. Since I am trying to focus on more positive things, I want to put my focus on um, my kitchen. So I just went in there and checked if there was anything I like there for my kitchen. Unfortunately, I did not find anything, but they do have this is neighbor. They do have quite a lot of nice things there as well. So yeah, and then after that, we just quickly went to get something to eat before rushing home to basically prepare for our moving.
Mommy, where did you buy this piece? You should. You should, guys. Mommy,
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Stay blessed and have a good one. Bye.